you want to add funds, on Facebook account and you have published an ad before, so click on your Facebook amount you want to add. If it is 4,000 naira, if it is 2,000 naira, if it is 7,000, just click it, just put it here. If it is 3,000 you want to put. And how to go about it. If you want to add funds, on Facebook account and you have published an ad before, so click on your Facebook. So this is your dashboard, this is your profile, this is the normal new feed interface. Just click on your picture. So you get to this interface, just click on advertise, click on create new ad. Okay, so the only thing you need there, just to scroll down. Okay, just to scroll down here, and click on, let me move for this. You just click on add funds. Okay, you don't uncheck anything, just come down here and add funds to your account. Okay, add funds, just click on add fund. Any amount you want to add, if it is 4,000 naira, if it is 2,000 naira, if it is 7,000, just click it, just put it here. If it is 3,000 you want to put. And click on this pay you, use this one. Okay, use this one, so click on it and press next. So it's a process to take you to another website that will make your payment, add your card, add funds, which you can see, add funds. So it will direct you back to the website. So let's wait, see continue, click on continue. And add your card. Okay, add your number, your card number, add your card number, your name, month, expiry date, expiry month, expiry year, and put the money, pay, and it will redirect you, send you OTP and make your payment. So the money will be added to your MetaHash account. Okay, so that's it. You just need to go back here, just come back to your Facebook and you will see the money in your wallet. So you don't need to click on promote, because you already have an ad that is ongoing, so you don't need to click here again. So you don't need to click here again.